Hey Peaches, what is up? I have been fooling around with this lighting that I can't even look at because it's so bright for like half an hour and I can't figure it out. It's like too shadowy behind me, I think. I don't know. I'm working on it, but I tried to film a tutorial a couple days ago that I used this light for the first time and I didn't realize I had it on like warm lighting. And so when I got everything onto my computer, it was like orange. Like you couldn't even hardly tell what I was doing color-wise. So I'm trying this again today. It's just gonna take a little bit of trial and error, I guess. And I'm doing a couple tutorials today. Really, I'm just doing the kind of thing where I do a makeup look and take you guys along with me for it. I asked on Instagram for some help and it was very vague help. So let's see where we're sitting right now. 100% pink hearts. So, actually, one vote for a blue. So I'm doing two different looks today. Obviously one blue, one pink, and it looks like pink so far is winning. I'm gonna go ahead and get my skin prepped so that we can get jumped into it. I'm not doing anything too different, so if you guys have any questions about what I do, comment down below and I can let you know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna zoom past that part and then we'll get started in the tutorial. Okay, so I have my face primed, prepped, ready to go. My husband's texting me. He literally is texting me that I have this lighting on the wrong thing. Okay, how do you do it? 56. Wait. Okay, so that should be the good lighting. The pink tutorial that I want to do today is actually for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is October. I personally don't have anyone right now in my very close personal knit life that has breast cancer. So that's just been a cause that has always been very near and dear to my heart. I don't really know why. Even when I was really little, that's just a cause that kind of always captivated me. Here's the thing though, I don't know of like super specific organizations that are very helpful for people with cancer. So if you guys know of good organizations or support groups or literally any helpful thing at all, I want you to comment it down below so that everybody watching this video hopefully can find kind of a supportive community here. I obviously have not personally dealt with that, and I don't want to take away from anything. I just thought this was a good way to use my platform to kind of get a little bit of awareness raised. And I know I don't have tons of viewers and that's not the point. It's just something I wanted to do. So I'm rambling. This is the different thing about these tutorials I'll be doing soon. Today, all I'm doing is pulling out any palette I have pretty much with pink in it, and I'm just going to slap it on my eye. I don't have any like inspiration picture or anything. I thought that would be the best way for me to kind of create something original, and that way I'm not subconsciously creating something I've already seen. I'm literally making myself create it. So I'm just going through my palettes, trying to find a pink. Okay, this is a 35B. The first palette I showed here is the Too Faced Glitter Bomb. I forgot when I got this, but I absolutely had to have it. And really, none of these are pink. On the inside, it's more of like purples, kind of. Down here is kind of pink. No, that's like orange. Ooh, but pumpkin look though. Okay, here's some more pinks. Another Morphe, this is the 35S. The other things I set out over to the side, I have this ColourPop eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Fantasy. It is not pink. I don't think. This is definitely purple, but I thought if I needed something with a little depth to it, I could try to do that. And then I have this Sephora palette that one of my subscribers sent me. It's a highlight palette, but it does have a couple pretty pinks in it. And I also have, if you guys have not heard me talk about this already, the BH Cosmetics highlight palettes. This is Blacklight and Spotlight. Get them. They're so cheap and they're so good. And Blacklight actually has two, this palette looks like a mess because I use it all the time, two pink colors, and so I might end up using those either on my eye, definitely on my face though. And I'm going to zoom you guys in. Yes I am. It's sunny outside right now and we have a storm coming our way, I think, from Florida, the hurricane that's going on right now. Later today and tonight it's supposed to be downpouring, so I'm trying to leave Suki outside as much as possible so she can get some sunlight. I also want to go get my Halloween candy. I kind of want to put out candy for the little kitties, and I kind of want to get candy and just eat it myself. I'm still playing down here, like trying to get everything set up correctly, and I want to get a big monitor so I can see better, because in my viewfinder, even if it looks good, sometimes when I get it to my computer and I'm ready to edit it, I'm like, oh, I can't use any of this. So hopefully that's not the case today. Okay, so let's get started in the pink colors. It's going to be an extended amount of time of me just looking at these colors and trying to figure out how to plop them all together. So I'm going to start with the 35B palette from Morphe. I'm gonna use this color right here or this color because they're both shimmery peachy colors and I think that's really pretty. And then I'm thinking this is gonna be my transition color. It's a very, very pretty, like almost mauve-y color, rose. I really like that. Starting with that mauve-y color, corner, give myself a nice little background color for everything else. I hope this turns out pretty. I'm excited about it. This is a random question, but what cause do you guys think gets overlooked a lot? I'm asking because after I knew I wanted to do a breast cancer awareness look, I started looking up like what other awareness kind of things are in October, and I didn't realize that there's kind of a few of them. So I'm just wondering how many other things get overlooked and what is it that you guys are like, oh man, I wish there was an awareness for this, or like more people need to know about. Whatever, I want you to comment down below and let me know. Okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color right here, that shimmery color, and put that all over my lid. Ooh, that's really pretty. Very like ballerina pink. Did not expect that. Now what I'm going to do is take the 35S palette and I'm going to use this pink down here and this little like purpley kind of color to kind of like start on a little corner, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go in with the pink, the lighter pink color. This one over here. Sorry that I'm a little quiet. I'm just like literally planning my next move. Like, what do we do from here? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that darker pink color down here. Oh, yeah, that was what I needed, I think. What do you guys think? I didn't say the brushes I'm using, but I'm just using my basic eyeshadow brushes that I use all the time. Two are from Morphe. I don't even know, this one's M139. And I really like this one for this kind of work because it's a little stiff. Not super, but it's definitely not a fluffy brush. And so it's good at packing on color. And then I use another Morphe brush that doesn't have a number on it to kind of blend everything out. And then my Sigma brush that I love, I talk about a lot, is the E40, and I do that kind of to blend everything together. It's a super fluffy brush and I love it. I guess I'm gonna blend this up a little bit. I don't know if that's a bad idea, but too late now. Okay, I really wanna add some purple in, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now and do my liner and see if that helps me out at all. I'm going to use, I think today, the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner to do my wing, and then usually I go back in with the Maybelline Master Precise Curvy to do like everything else. So starting with the Precise. Thumbs up for wings that never match. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on right now. I don't like to film that only because I look absolutely crazy and there's like no rhyme or reason for the way I do things. But I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer that smells like roses. It's delicious. And then the Maybelline, the Falsies mascara that I picked up the other day. I haven't used this one in like years, but I love it. I'm gonna do most of my face makeup. I'll come back to finish up. I'm just gonna do like concealer and foundation, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have everything done. I'm liking a lot the way that it is looking. Quick side note, I'm gonna leave everything that I use like from start to finish in the down bar if you guys are interested in anything. So I'm actually going to go back in with the 35B, and I'm gonna start with that little mauve color again and put that underneath my eyes just kind of for some color. Normally when I do this, I use my Hoola bronzer. Now I'm going to use a little like smudgy brush, and I think I'm going to use the brighter pink under my eyes as well. That might be a mistake, but let's find out. Okay, so now that my eyelashes on the bottom have completely disappeared, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Just a little though, I think. Now, for my face, I'm really excited about this part. The blush I'm going to use today is from Sigma. This is called, what's this called? Nymphaea? I have no idea how to pronounce that. I thought this was a really good, like, kind of pinky color. I always forget that I have this blush, is what I was going to say. This blush. I am going to do a really quick nose contour because I obviously need that. For highlight, I think I'm going to use the black light from BH Cosmetics that I was just talking about. And I think I want to use this one called Illusion. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, last but not least for lips. I have a couple different options out. I always really love this color from Too Faced in Nude Beach. I just think that it's a gorgeous pink, and I'm thinking, okay, sorry if the angle is slightly different. I had to change my battery. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Nude Beach, and I'm also going to line my lips with this Kat Von D liner in Lolita. I really like this one too. This is like my everyday liner. I actually kind of like it just like that. Okay, I actually think I'm just gonna leave it with Lolita. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. I don't really think that this video is going to change someone's life or make a huge impact, but if I can make even a tiny impact and raise awareness for something like breast cancer or any other cause that you guys leave below for me, I got really tongue-tied. That's worth it to me. So I just really want to emphasize here on this channel that I'm not going to make a tutorial that's going to be perfect, probably ever, because I am imperfect. I really like to just sit down and create things like this. I think this is the best idea for myself that I've had, where I just kind of sit down and create it instead of like trying to recreate or trying to do something I've seen or anything like that. Just being creative, I think, is really fun, and it's something that's missing, I think, right now with YouTube. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe before you leave my channel today so you don't miss out on any other videos I have coming up. I have a lot of fun ones that I have planned. Let me know how this video looked. Again, I can only go by my viewfinder, and for me it looked okay. So I hope that it looks good for you guys, but if there's something I need to change, please let me know and I will adjust it for my next video. Don't forget to leave down any organizations, charities, or just anything that I need to know about breast cancer resources. And if you guys have another like awareness thing, like I was talking about in the beginning, that you want people to be aware of or you think needs awareness lifted, let me know. I want to check that out too. I'm gonna go love on my puppy. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your time being spent with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.